I figure I'll make a video on this. It's a Husqvarna. I gotta replace the gas line, and as you can see, it's not too hard. I'm trying to get in here to see. Yeah, okay, I can see it now. So I was trying to see right in there with the gas chamber. The hose is coming down. It's not the hose I need to replace. The other hose. So I'll go back here to my truck, get the gas line out. Some awesome light up there. My truck does not smell pretty. Not right now. Is that the small? Nope, that's too big. But my truck smells like a hot turd right now because I'm working in it all day, every day. And I'm gonna clean all this up. It's a hot mess. But the person who owns this, they really use this thing to its full potential. I'm not gonna clean all this up because it's just gonna get messed back up, and it wouldn't make sense to clean it up too good. A lot of times cleaning it up too much quit working. At least that's what everybody else says. But no, I'm gonna finish doing gas lines on this and do the gas lines on that Craftsman chainsaw, and be done. I might even go live on the next one. Just pending. Probably won't though. There, guys.